In this video, I'll be sharing the 5 books that have changed my life and that I believe could change yours too. Hi guys, my name is Harley and welcome to the Premium Property YouTube channel where we provide weekly content for beginners in property. If you are new around here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the video. And if you could leave a like as well, that would be massively appreciated as it will help us get it out there to more young, budding property investors. So I read a lot of books and I try to read for at least 30 minutes every day because I really believe it's so important in all aspects of life. Whether you're an entrepreneur or you're not, you can apply it to so many different things and it really broadens your mind and opens up your perspective in terms of what can be achieved and the possibilities that are out there.
You must broaden your minds. First, you must look beyond.
So I really believe reading is important for everyone, even if you own a business, you're in property or not. This video will be massively helpful to anyone in all aspects of life. So yeah, I also believe that reading can be really helpful in terms of relaxing. It's a great way to relax and you can come up with so many ideas when you're reading. That's one of the times where I get a lot of ideas just from reading books and working out what other people have done to be successful in their life. So yeah, like I said, I really enjoy books and I really enjoy reading. Not something I probably would have been saying 2 years ago, but now I really do enjoy it. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing the 5 books in order from obviously number 5 to number 1, which will be the best that have changed my life. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's jump straight into it. So in 5th place, we have The Power of Purpose by Les Brown. Now, this is a fantastic book and I don't actually have the hard copy of it because I listened to it on Audible. And yeah, also if you don't like reading hardback books, Audible's a great thing. I do prefer hardback books, but you can really learn a lot through Audible as well. So yeah, Power of Purpose by Les Brown, a fantastic book. And he sort of dives into how you can find your purpose, what you can do to find your purpose, and really understand what you're meant to be doing with your life. And this really helped me because it helped me understand what exactly I wanted to achieve with my life, what I wanted to do, how I wanted to help people, and the path that I needed to take to do that, and really allowed me to set that path and create that path and set goals and create a vision board essentially for what I want my life to look like. So yeah, it's a really fantastic book, really great speaker. I would actually recommend getting that on Audible because Les Brown narrates it himself and he's got a really great narration on the book. So yeah, fantastic book, really recommend that. So that's number 5. So in 4th place, we have Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Again, I don't have this one on hard copy, but I read that on an ebook. So yeah, really great book by Brian Tracy. And this is all about time management and how you should take on the biggest challenge and the biggest task that you have first thing every day to avoid procrastination. So essentially eating that frog first before doing anything else. And this is a fantastic book and it really helped me because before, my time management skills weren't amazing. I used to just sort of take every day as it came and went with the flow, and I ended up just drifting and getting distracted, and I did procrastinate a lot on those bigger tasks. So as soon as I read this book, I implemented everything that he said, and now every single day the first thing I do is the biggest task that I have that day, and I work down in terms of the task difficulty level, and the ones that I know I'm going to procrastinate on, I do that first and get that out of the way.
I'm gonna make Monday morning my bitch. I'm gonna make you Saturday, Monday morning. That's what I wanna do every morning, and that's what I want from you.
And then focus on the other tasks. And this has really helped me in terms of time management. It's stopped me getting distracted. It's stopped me procrastinating. And yeah, it's helped me loads. So definitely recommend it. Number 4, Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. So in 3rd place, we have The Complete Guide to Property Investment by Rob Dix. Now, it wouldn't be a premium property video without a property book. And yeah, this book by Rob Dix is amazing if you're looking to get into buy-to-let property. It breaks every single stage down from finding deals, analysing deals, working out exactly what strategy you want to do. It breaks down the refurbishments, the deal analysis, it breaks down management of the property, even breaks down tax and how the property cycle and how you can sort of manage your portfolio in the long term in terms of selling it off or keeping it and paying down the mortgage. Fantastic book for buy to let, and it's really, really great if you're just getting started in property. That's when I read it, when I was just getting into it, and it helped me so much. And it's one of those books where you can, because it's broken down so well into each of the different parts, you can just dive into it when you need to and pick things out. And that's what I did. I had pages that I sort of marked, and every time I needed that, I went down to it. So I've actually got the hard copy of this one, Complete Guide to Property Investment by Rob Dix. Fantastic book. So now we're on to second and first place. So this was a really hard choice for me between these two books, and I'll tell you why I chose the first place one, obviously when we come on to that one. But number 2, we have Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. Now, this is such an amazing book, and it's about Phil Knight has written it himself. He's the founder of Nike, and he essentially talks through how he set up Nike, how he got the idea for it, and essentially the whole journey of how he grew it from just a small startup company to the global brand that it is now. And it's a really, really inspirational book. Really talks about the realities of business and starting your own business, the challenges that you face, and it's really inspirational, and it just shows that no matter how many challenges you go through, like Phil in this book talks about all the challenges that he went through, and he had so many ups and downs. He started in an office that had broken windows, no central heating, so they sat in there all through winters, and it really, really great book in terms of inspiration. And it just shows if you have that courage and determination, he took so many risks, and you have the courage to do that, you can do anything, and anything is possible. So really, really great book by Phil Knight, Shoe Dog. That's number 2. So here we have it, number 1, the number 1 book that changed my life. And you probably saw it maybe flashing the screen there, which I wasn't meant to do. But number 1 book that changed my life is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. And this is the first ever sort of entrepreneurial mindset book that I ever read, and I think that's why it's first place. It does have a bit of a soft spot, but it is a really, really fantastic book. Obviously it would have been second if it wasn't if Shoe Dog was first. So really, really great book, and this essentially talks about, as the title said, how to deal and manage with people. And this can be applied to all aspects of life. It talks about sales, it talks about building business relationships, it talks about even family life and how to avoid arguments in family life. Really, really fantastic book in all things people management, and you can apply this to all aspects of life. That's why I think it is such a great book, and obviously it's helped me because it was the first book I read, and that's what really got me into the entrepreneurial mindset, the business mindset. And yeah, I'm still applying all of the lessons from this book now, and yeah, it's one of those books that you could read hundreds of times and you'd probably learn something every time, and you can apply it. It was written years ago. Dale Carnegie, he was sort of an entrepreneur back in the 1900s, and yeah, all of those lessons are still applicable now. So yeah, really fantastic book. Number 1, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. So guys, there we have it. That's my top 5 books that changed my life. I really, really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you're going to go away and read some of those books if you haven't already. And yeah, I really, really hope you enjoy them. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video and you have taken some value and you are going to read one of these books, please do drop a like, and if you are new around here, please hit that subscribe button. We're going to be bringing out 2 videos a week now, so upping that content, upping that value for you guys. And yeah, really, really hope you enjoyed. Until next time, we'll see you next week for another piece of premium property content.